Today, I'll show you how to create a Blu-ray scanning transition in CapCut PC. This effect adds a high-tech, futuristic scanning animation between two clips, making your edits look sleek and cinematic. Let's get started. First, import two videos into your timeline and place them side by side. This is where we'll apply the transition. Now, go to the Transitions panel and in the search bar type Blu-ray scanning. This transition creates a smooth, sci-fi style scan effect that blends your two clips seamlessly. Once you find it, drag and drop the Blu-ray scanning transition between your two clips. You can adjust the transition speed by using the duration slider or simply dragging the transition on the timeline to make it faster or slower. And that's it. You've successfully added a Blu-ray scanning transition, giving your video a futuristic and cinematic touch. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut editing tips. See you in the next one.